Once you have figured out what are your pain points within your organization, what are things that I could start building or have someone build for, again, low hanging fruit, and then you've built them, you want to then start doing more of what works. So you literally just take the same workflow, the same pattern, and you say, well, can I bring this to more people? Can I expand the scope and responsibility of this AI agent? So rather than just monitoring one email inbox for a particular type of email, maybe you can look for multiple types of emails. There are ones that are customer complaints, and we need to handle those messages. But we also need returns, which is a separate category, and we also have market inquiries for being a guest speaker, right? So you want to expand the use cases with the tools that you've already built and used. And then you also want to kind of create this collaborative environment where if you have a workflow set up for one aspect or one area of your business, you might want to apply it to another area where that same type of tool could be useful. In my own AI assistant tool building, I kind of built out these workflows for managing my work inbox, and I've expanded it and said, oh, well, why don't I apply this to my personal inbox as well and start building things out there? And I can just copy it. I have to tweak it, revise it, but it gives you kind of a more rich and robust environment to build with these tools. Um, Kind of tying this in as well, a couple examples for how to think about this. So when working with workflows, think of each step within a workflow as a discrete step, and then you want to connect those steps together. So for example, if we're sticking with the email instance, maybe the very first step is when I receive an email from a particular place, I want to just summarize it. And then I want to get an email followed up on that that's giving me the summary. And then maybe I also want to get a Slack message. And then I maybe want to reply to that Slack message. And then once I reply to that Slack message, it does some other action. And so you want to think of these as small little steps that maybe you do personally or people on your team do, and then just break them down one by one and then start compounding and stacking them over time and chaining them together.